The AGP PMD3530 low-profile magnetic drilling machine. The best solution for drilling in confined spaces, perfect for I-beams, vehicle frames, bridges, or any situation with limited height clearance. The minimum height is 198 millimeters and just 210 millimeters with the top handle. Lightweight, just 10.5 kilograms. Up to 35 millimeter drilling capacity. Up to 35 millimeter depth of cut. The quill feed arbor uses standard size cutters. No special cutters required. Tool-free quick release arbor. 1100 watt high torque motor. Tool-free quick release feed handle mounts in multiple positions on either side. Rear-mounted safe switches can be operated from either side. Built-in LED light for work in dark spaces. Collapsible top handle. Capable, reliable, convenient. The PMD3530 from AGP. The ideal low-profile magnetic core drilling system.